Introduction to Climate Change. Welcome to an introductory course on climate change and how it affects life here on Earth. In this course, we will study the phenomenon known as climate change and the various factors that impact the Earth's environment. Let's start with what is climate change? We hear a lot about climate change, but what exactly is it and what does it mean? In this course, you'll learn the scientific definition of climate change, how we know it is happening, and what it means when we say we are currently facing a climate emergency. However, before we get to that, we need to understand the distinction between weather and climate because the two are often mixed up with people thinking a change in weather is an evidence against global warming. So, here's a quick definition of each to help you understand. Weather is how we talk about short-term changes to the atmosphere. It is how humans feel about their surrounding environment. It can refer to rain, snow, cloud cover, humidity, and many other states that we are familiar with. It can change quickly and be difficult to predict due to its ever-changing nature. Climate refers to longer-term trends of weather in specific regions. Different regions can have unique climate, for example, coastal areas, deserts, etc. Climate is usually measured in blocks ranging from decades to hundreds of thousands of years. Conversely, weather is what we experience day to day or week to week. Rain, wind, cold snaps, and heat waves are all weather-related phenomena. Weather is affected by many atmospheric factors and can be difficult to predict. One year may have very different weather from the next, but this does not show a definite change in the climate. Therefore, we may have a winter that is colder than the last, while still being in a period of climate change in which the planet is warming up. Scientists have been monitoring and recording the weather since the 18th century, and records show us that Earth's climate is changing. Our planet is becoming warmer. Whilst there are various factors that impact climate change and alter Earth's long-term environment, it is important for students to understand how each of the natural and man-made events impact climate change. Only when they have a clear distinction between natural and man-made causes of climate change can they implement positive climate action. So, with that in mind, let's first look at the natural causes behind climate change. These can be measured through changes in natural formations like volcanoes, wind, oceans, rain, and so on.